Previously on Banayad Adventures.
Nakarating na tayo sa Mindoro kasama ang NGRP at nag-camp sa Maslud Cove. Pero dahil sa sama ng panahon, kailangan pag-usapan ng grupo kung ano ang gagawin sa mga susunod na araw. Tara, samahan nyo kami at tignan natin ang mga susunod na mangyayari sa Part 2 ng Mindoro Loop kasama ang Next Gen Ranger Philippines, NGRP. Episode 2, let's go! Maskara. Very good bro.
Tama lang yung ahang eh.
Sanay na kanin to. Kanin to. Sarap po.
Boss Melvin, patok po. Sakto sa ano?
Sakto sa kanin. Kay Boss Melvin pala.
Parang naubos ko nga kanina. Yung tofu mo. Nice.
Ano yan? Maskara. Mukha. Pig tray. Ang sarap. Kaya pala balik ng balik si Gino.
Oh?
Diba?
Panalo.
Onalap, diba? Onalap.
Ngumiti ako. Panalo. Sarap eh. Sarap sa beer.
Very good.
Okay lang. Tama lang. Nagpo-vlog ka ba? Demonetize natin yung ina. Binibip lang.
Yan, so paalis na kami. Good morning, Lisa. Yan, so konti na lang setup natin kasi maya maya paalis na tayo. Mabilisang breakfast lang. Yan, so nag-breakfast lang yung iba. Yan, nakaligpit na rin yung iba. Mahaba pa ang babayahin natin today.
I crave your kiss all the time. Baby, I wanna drink you up tonight. But it's so hard to focus when you're standing next to me. Baby, you're all that I need. You keep turning me on. You keep making special thing. You're like a queen, I wanna be your king. But it's so hard to focus when you're standing next to me. Baby, you're all that I need, yeah. You keep turning me on, you keep making me feel so good, so good. I know where I belong, nowhere better than here with you. We're so good together. Nowhere better than when I'm with you. No, 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 no. You, nothing like you, baby. Nowhere better than when I'm with you. You, when I'm with you, baby. You keep turning me on. You keep making me feel so good, so good. I know where I belong.
Good morning, everyone. Obviously, hindi na umaga, pero the time now is 1:39 in the afternoon. So dito muna kami magla-lunch sa Ian Joel's Kamali. So yan, medyo na-late tayo ng lunch. Actually, ito na yung brunch natin. Na-delay din kami ng konti kanina kasi nagkaroon ng sitwasyon sa kali. Pero anyway, after natin mag-lunch, papakagas lang tayo. Tapos, diretso na ulit tayo papunta sa market. Mamamalengke muna tayo. O tara, pasok na tayo.
It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on a roll, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You get someone else who is loving you. Oh, there he goes.
Devil's Mountain.
I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. And I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old love. Do you feel lonely in a prison, darling? I know I'm still stuck somewhere in your head. Still stuck somewhere in your head. Can you imagine me with someone else?
Pala may ice sa 7-Eleven. Yung mga walang ref pa, pwede bumili doon ng ice kung sakaling mayroon.
Bili ka Beler.
Mayroon.
In 300 meters, turn right.
May ice, mayroon.
Lagay mo
Nice,
lagay dyan sa Nalgene. Ano yan?
Yan, so dito sa Mindoro, ano yun, boss? May nakita tayong pampaswerte, no? Ng convoy natin. Ano yun? Turo mo nga. At least tuli. May mga
Branding ako.
branding.
Major sponsor.
Coming back, keep right. Curve left. Okay, so the time now is 9:11 in the evening. 22 minutes na lang, nasa Buktot Beach na tayo.
Atras daw guys, atras.
So medyo nawala ata tayo. May turn tayo na miss apparently.
Gawin na lang ngayon natin mag-diretso tayo dyan.
Masikip dito medyo masikip.
Actually, may ikutan yata dito, pwedeng umikot dito.
Makipot dito. Hindi lang ako makaka-atras na kaya i-diretso ko na.
Thank you.
Kuya, pabuktot. Meron pa. Nawala ako eh. Thank you. Ito na, kita ko na. Dito na ako sa highway ulit. Ito yun yung dinadaanan. So may na-miss ako na turn.
Hintayin mo sila dito.
Ito na ako, dito na ako. Sakali na ako nag-antay.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
$9.42. Trail pare. Pero masaya. I mean, kung mahaba tayo, medyo alangan kasi may mahuhukay na ano eh. Day 4 of our Mindoro Loop. Yan. So kagabi dumating tayo dito sa Buktot Beach. Medyo na-late tayo dahil sa may mga pinuntahan pa tayo kahapon. Pero yeah, this is our 4th day here in Mindoro doing the Mindoro Loop. So Buktot Beach, dito nanggaling na tayo dito. So this is our 2nd time sa Buktot Beach. Pero this time, ayan, kasama naman natin ang NGRP para i-enjoy itong Mindoro. Then galing dito, tignan natin kung anong dadaanan natin bukas. Tapos pauwi na rin tayo. So yun, enjoy natin ang 4th day sa Mindoro Loop. Very good.
With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide
Okay, so this is our last evening dito sa Buktot. Yan, nagluluto lang si Lisa ng satay hot pot. Yan, so mamaya salo-salo tayo doon with everyone. Doon, meron doon tables.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds, turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go find your own way.
So naka-ready na kami. Konting ligpitan na lang. And roll out na tayo.
Mael? Hindi ka na Mael?
Mag-video ako sa lahat.
Okay!
Tingnan ko na yung sa inyo sa ayan.
Naalalay lang namin pedestrian sa kanan. Pupunan lang daw paglabas natin. Pwede kayong kumuhay kung gusto mo. Salamat! Rolling up. Good morning! Good morning! Yan. So, salamat Buktot Beach. Salamat kay Ate Lisa at na-accommodate ulit niya tayo. This time with NGRP. Palabas na tayo ng Buktot Beach. The time now is 8:38 in the morning. And dala muna tayo kay Kuya Jonar. Pupunta tayo sa Nauhan Municipal Hall. Yun. Laters. Okay, good morning. So time now is 9:44 in the morning. Nag-quick stop tayo dito sa Petron para pagas, restroom break, tapos diretso na ulit tayo sa Nauhan. tayo mag-lunch. Kasama natin si Kuya Jonar kanina. Thank you, Kuya Jonar. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa Victoria Nature Park. Magre-refreshments tayong konti. Just enjoy natin yung view. Tara! So 5:58 na ng hapon. Medyo padilim na rin. Balik na tayo sa baba. Hindi na tayo.
Sa tune-up show.
Ayan na ba yung mga sakyan natin? Ayun na pala. Oh. Hinatid na tayo ni Kyla. Thank you, Kyla.
Say, Anya, can you say thank you, Kyla? Thank you rin po yan.
The group took off immediately after the trip to Tukuran Falls. We were trying to catch the schedule of our Roro back to Batangas via Calapan Port.
200 meters. You'll arrive at Calapan Port.
Ito na ako nakabili ka rin. Sita.
Sana all.
Sana oil. Charlie, pagkapasok, kaliwa tayo, kaliwa dulo. Nakabukas blinker ko.
Kaya kita ka, may bisan na last month.
Tara. Good evening.
Sticker tayo. Yun o. Thank you, sir.
Oh. Kaway.
Sir, yung kaibigan naman, sir, pwede sir tingin.
Sige. Ganun naman eh.
Thank you, sir.
Hello po, ate.
So that's our Mindoro loop with NGRP. Of course, I would like to thank President JV Cabrera for inviting me in this loop with this group. Hopefully, sa next loop ninyo, wherever that is, we'll get invited again. That's it for our video. Again, this is Eman of Banayad Adventures. Mararating din yan, basta banayad lang. Very good.
You are on the run, but do you even know what you run from? Where will you hide? You're shying from the pain, hoping it will never come back again. Trying new, 'cause life is always knocking you over. Time and again. And I'll be here for you. I'll be by your side when you need a friend. If you want somebody to love, as you give. When the world is letting you down, you know that I will always be by your side. Oh yeah, Icarus, he knew when his father told him